I'm going to share with you 3 ways to make a man feel really good and really appreciated, which is really what they want to feel. So number 1, give them a compliment on a doing action. So don't just say, oh, I really like hanging out with you. That's a compliment enough. But what they want to hear is what they're doing that you like. So for example, you can say, I really appreciate you opening the car door for me. You know, chivalry isn't dead, or something like that. Number 2, you can tie in with number 1. Share how what he did made you feel. So when a man hears from a woman that she's feeling good around anything that he did or anything he influenced, it makes him shine. It makes his heart soar. It makes his hero inside just so proud. So you can combine the two and say, it felt so good to have you open the door. I really felt taken care of. Thank you. And he will be like, wow, I just made her feel good. So those are the first 2. If you're liking this so far, hit the subscribe button because I give twice a week, I publish a video with all kinds of cool information. So don't miss out. So number 3, compliment him on something he is smart about or good at. So if he is, fixing your cupboard door, tell him, wow, like you are just so precise at, putting the screws in and, matching up the door or the drawer or whatever. Compliment him on the exact thing that he's doing, not just, oh, wow, thank you. It's so amazing that you helped me. Yeah, that's obviously better than nothing. But when you get really specific, like I really appreciate how precise you were with the measurements, then he'll be like, wow, yeah, she's really seeing how much effort I'm putting in for her. All right, so be precise. Give him a compliment on a doing action, then tell him how you feel about it. And not, of course, don't tell him like that sucked, but tell him how it made you feel good and why. So be specific. And then number 3, compliment him on something that he's doing that's really specific, smart or good, that he's smart at or good at. All right, that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Let me know below, comment, and let me know if you've tried it and how it worked out. Bye for now.